Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Chat GPT-4 and some of its amazing capabilities. One of the most exciting things about Chat GPT-4 is its ability to read images. With its advanced image recognition technology, Chat GPT-4 can analyze images and extract valuable information from them. For example, it can recognize objects, people, and even text within an image. But that's not all Chat GPT-4 can do. It's also capable of generating high-quality images based on text descriptions. For example, if you give it a sentence describing a landscape, Chat GPT-4 can create a realistic image of that landscape. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for creative expression and storytelling. Another impressive feature of Chat GPT-4 is its natural language processing capabilities. It can understand and respond to human language in a way that feels incredibly natural. You can ask it questions, have a conversation with it, or even use it to write text for you. And of course, Chat GPT-4 is constantly learning and improving. As it processes more data and interacts with more users, it becomes even smarter and more capable. So, whether you're a content creator, a researcher, or just someone interested in cutting-edge technology, Chat GPT-4 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on the latest tech trends.